Hi, this is Pratik. Here I have Bode Stone 190F Bluetooth speaker. I recently purchased this speaker from Flipkart and today I received this product. So without wasting time in unboxing, I'm directly making a review video of this product. So let's have a look over the box. The build quality of the box is quite good. The MRP mentioned in the box is 2,999 rupees. But yes, I purchased it for around 1,000 to 1,100 rupees from Flipkart. So let's open the box. So here on the top we have our Bluetooth speaker as expected. Let's pull it out. So it's not that heavy. It is kind of a lightweight Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what else in the box. Okay, so in the box we have cables. So it is a USB cable. It is not C type. It is normal USB cable which comes with the Bluetooth speaker. And here we have one aux cable so that you can connect the Bluetooth speaker with your phone manually. Then we have some manual guides. Let's keep it aside. Then here we have a warranty card. So the product comes with 1 year manufacturing warranty. Let's keep this all aside. So here is the Bode Stone 190F Bluetooth speaker. Here is the power button. Long press the power button for like 2 seconds to start the speaker. The speaker comes with lace with aglets, so you can easily tie the lace and hang it over anything. Between the play and pause button, you can see a light blinking. So it is indicating that your Bluetooth speaker is in on mode. Some key specifications are mentioned on the back of the Bluetooth speaker, which we will cover in this video. And here is the M written button, which is indicating mode to unpair and pair your Bluetooth device. Now let's talk about the specifications of this product. So the Bluetooth speaker is very good in terms of built-in quality. The top of the speaker is made up of something mesh-like fabric, which is very good in quality. This speaker can give you around 10 hours of playback time. The speaker comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, so you can easily connect your smartphone, tablets, smart TV with this Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker comes with 52mm full range driver. As the Bluetooth speaker makes use of 52mm full range driver, you can enjoy an immersive audio experience so that you can start your day on the right note. This speaker offers IP7 water resistance, so you can enjoy listening to your favorite song around water in dusty conditions without any worry. The speaker comes with integrated connectivity, so you can connect the aux cable too. Apart from this, the Bluetooth speaker offers you hands-free calling. The built-in mic enables hands-free calling so that you can enjoy ease of use. The power output of this Bluetooth speaker is of 5 watt and the battery capacity of this speaker is of 800 mAh. This much battery capacity is sufficient to run the speaker for 10 hours when fully charged. Now talking about the Bluetooth range of the speaker, so this speaker offers you range of around 10 meter radius. The signal to noise ratio of this speaker is of 80 decibels. Now talking about the dimensions of this product, so this product is 4.3 cm in width, 10.3 cm in height and 10.3 cm in depth. Overall, the product is good in this price range. You can buy this speaker from the purchase link mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.